In this information gathering tutorial, we'll use WHATWEB. So if I just type WHATWEB in my terminal, here you can see WHATWEB next generation web scanning, web scanner, and the version, developer name, and the website. If you want, you can go to the website and read about it. And here you can see all the available command or available argument of WHATWEB. A is the aggression level. You can search till the so no one know that, and you can use aggressive search if you're allowed to pen test the website. If you have legit permit, you can search aggressively. So if I just type WHATWEB dash dash help, you can find all the available command, and most importantly here are some example how we can use the WHATWEB scanner. So for example WHATWEB, then the website name, and if you want verbose you can use b command here, and you can also determine the aggression level. Here you can see A stand for aggression, and the level is 3, means you are aggressively scanning this website. Don't do this if you don't have legit permit. Only do this if you have legit permit to scan the website, or if the company appoint you to pen test their website, you can do this. And if you don't wanna print any error, you can use the no error argument, and there are a lot of other examples. So for now, if I just ping mobtvc.com my website, here you can see the IP address. So I will use my own IP address or my own website to show you how we can scan with WHATWEB. If I just copy my IP address instead of website address, I can use IP address here. If I just type WHATWEB, then give the IP address here, and if I just press enter, within a few seconds it will return the result for us. Here you can see there is a simple result of WHATWEB, how we can use it. And here is the address, and 200 OK means the HTTP response is OK, website is running, and where the country is located, this one is in Germany. And the IP address, here you can see the IP address, and lot more information about where the page is redirect, and the IP address of default web page, this one is also okay. And the webmaster email address, here you can see we find lot of information, and there also the email address of this website. Here you can see HTML, this one is using HTML, and the title default website page, this one is the title of this page where we just entered the IP address of the website. So if I just scroll up, here you can see we can use v here or for verbose or show the details of everything. So if I just use the command p here and press enter, it will print all the information, almost same, but it will be much easier for us to read. Here you can see WHATWEB report for this website, IP address status is okay, title name none, where the country is located, and summary, meta refresh, redirect, and where this one is redirecting. Here you can see the web address where it is redirecting us, default plugin, and this one is also use HTTP headers. Here you can see all the information, and here you can see where this one is redirecting, the country is IP, and title is default web page, and the summary here. So this one is using HTML and also email plugin. Here you can see HTTP header, every information here. So using WHATWEB, what we can do, we can use the, instead of this IP address, we can also use our main address here, www.mobtvc.com. Within a few seconds it will return almost the same result. So if I clear my console, and if I just add the aggression level, here you can see -a for aggression level, and if I just give my website mobtvc.com, then the aggression level is 3, and if I just add no error, that means no error will be printed here. This will return more information than previously, because previously default aggression level was 1. This one will scan stealthy information, but if I give the verbose and no error and also argument A, you will see different address. So as we are using aggression level 3, this will take more time than previous one. So what we get here, you can see we are we get something different from the previous search or previous scan. Here it is showing IP address, jQuery version, and meta generator, SU, and also the password field. So if we use the dash B here, so we can read it more clearly. So if I just press enter and wait few seconds, here you can see it is returning what WordPress version it is using, the meta generator, all-in-one SU, and the site kit by Google. This one was not showing by normal scan, because normal scan the default aggression level is 1. This one is also showing jQuery version and all-in-one SU version and sitekit plugin, and also what was the WordPress version the website is using. This one is showing password field. If we find any password field, we'll write down it, and next time maybe we can brute force this password field to get username and password. So here you can see aggression level 3 gives us more information than the normal aggression level. So using the WHATWEB we can find all this information. This one is also returning. Here you can see previously this one was not returning the title, now it was returning the title and the summary. Here you can see we got a password field and detected plugin, the cookies, HTML, and jQuery. Whatever we found in scan, we write down it in our report when we are doing penetration testing, and whatever information we can gather from the scan, we'll write down it. If we think there is something important, we'll write down this. For this scan, you can say we got a password field and the jQuery version and the WordPress version. So we'll write all about this, and next time when we are evaluating this thing, maybe we can find some vulnerabilities in this plugin, or maybe in some header generator file, or maybe we can brute force this. So we need to write down all of these things what we think is important for our work.